What's up, my people? It's your boy Ola Tony here. I'm back again with another banger strategy. In today's video, I'm going to reveal one of my secret strategy, which is called support turns to resistance strategy. And it's a very basic strategy and very profitable. So if you want to find out how, stay tuned. And I'll be doing that on my mobile phone so that you guys can see that you can do it on any device, maybe it's your laptop or your phone. It's very easy and cool. Let's dive in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade the resistance becomes support strategy, and we're going to use the trend line. This strategy is very simple and very effective, guys. Please, I want you to be attentive, and if you know the strategy, it's going to improve your trading journey and you will become profitable. So just stick with me and let's dive in. So what you first do is that, okay, let me explain. I'm on the Euro USD. I'm on the 5 minute, but what we need to do right now is that before you enter any trade, you need to understand what's going on a higher time frame. For example, if you want to enter on the 15 minute, you need to know what's going on the 4 hours, 1 hour before you can enter a trade on the 15 minute. Like, you need to know the trend of the market. You get what I'm saying? If you want to enter on the 5 minute, you need to know what's going on the 1 hour, 15 minutes before you can enter on the 5 minute. So that's how it works. So now this strategy works best on the 15 minute, you understand? And we are day traders, right? So there's no need for us maybe going on that higher time frame. Let's say like the daily, weekly. That one is if you want to swing trade. You get what I'm saying? So now we move to the 4 hours first. What do you want to do on the 4 hours? We want to know the trend of the market. So let's go to the 4 hours. 4 hours. So now what can we see here? We can see that it has been a downtrend. Let me use my trend line so that we can see clearly. We can see that we have been in a downtrend all this while. All this while we have been in a downtrend. All this while. So let me plot it well so that we can really understand. So guys, and please pay attention before you use this strategy. Follow everything I do. First go to the 4 hours, then map out the trend of the market in a channel. Listen to me. Why I say we should map it out in a channel is that so that whenever it leaves the channel, we'll know that yes, we've left the trend, and we know that we are not in that current trend. You understand what I'm saying? So that you should avoid being stopped out, or to avoid, sometimes they are fake outs. Sometimes they might be like a fake out, like maybe the trend wants to break and it might go back. You understand? So guys, do that. Then what we now need to do is that we move on to the 15 minutes. So from here we know it's a downtrend, right? So now why we check this to know it's a downtrend is that we want to know that we are only entering bearish signals. We are only entering bearish signals. We're not going to enter any trade if it doesn't give us a bearish signal. You understand? So let's go to the 15 minutes. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. So let's go to, where did this start from? Okay, I think here. Let me slant this so that we can see it clearly. So right now we are on a downtrend here. So now what we need to do is that we have created this in a channel. So we are only looking for bearish moves. So now let me show you what I'm going to do now here. So if there's a strong uptrend, we'll map it out to our trend line. Let me show you what I mean. This is it. So this is a strong bullish move. We'll map it out to our trend line. We want to see a trend line break. Like, we want to see a trend line break. We want to see a trend line break from that bullish move, because we know that when there's a trend line break, we have what? A bearish move. You get? So that's what I want to see. Then after drawing that, you will now mark the key levels, like the point of resistance. For example, let me show you the key levels here. These are the key levels. These are the key levels here. You understand? These are the key levels. These are the levels of resistance here. You can see what I'm saying. These are levels of resistance. Like, levels of resistance means areas where the price met and reversed. It was a resistance. I think it served as a resistance here, and it's a support from here. Let me show you. Here it served as a resistance, right? Resistance. Okay, so it was just a resistance, never served as a support.
Yeah, so it was just only a resistance, you get. So this strategy is now we are trading the support turn to resistance strategy, you understand, using our trend line. Very simple and basic. So what we now need to do right now is this. Since we already know we're all looking for a bearish move, we wait for the market to break this resistance. And guys, before you can have a strong support or resistance area, you must have at least 4 rejection in different occasions, like 4 different rejection in that particular place. Are you guys getting what I'm saying? You must have a minimum of 4 rejection in that particular place. For example, if you want to count this one, we had more than 4. This is 1. It bounced off here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 before it eventually broke out. And I think it's as a resistance here, support resistance. So that's just it, guys. That's how you do it. It's a major level. So anytime you see the market breaks this, you know you are expecting a bearish market. So we broke it. So remember, this strategy is support turning to resistance. So when it finally broke it now turned into a resistance. So whenever you see price approaching this support zone, you enter your short. You understand? If you want to draw it, this is how it should be because of this last candle here. Let me zoom it for us to see. You understand? Because of this last candle here, so you see it came back to do what? To retest the zone before it spiked down. So what you do is that whenever it breaks this line, you now become ready and become very, very patient. Then wait for it to retrace back, because remember, this strategy is support turned into resistance. So it has turned into resistance. So you enter here, you enter your short. You can go for your 1 to 3, or you can. But I advise you guys to just go for a 1 to 3, because sometimes we don't know when the market might reverse. Because I want to say maybe you can throw your stop loss, like monitor the supply or demand level areas where price might react, because nobody knows when price will reverse. You get. So I just advise you just go for a 1 to 3. Don't be greedy. You see, 1 to 3 came very, very smooth, very, very smooth. So after that, we wait again to see a bullish move. Then so you see the price. Let me just this thing is very simple and very interesting, guys. See, after the bearish move, you wait for another bullish move, then map out your trend line again. Then map out your trend line. Let's our trend line. Yeah, then map out your trend line again. When you see the bullish move, we want to see a bullish breakout. We already know after a bullish breakout is what? A downtrend. After the break, we look for the support and resistance area. So here, which major area can we see? From here, we can see one here. This is one here. We know that whenever price got here, it reverses. Let's draw it well. Exactly. So we know that whenever price got here, it reverses. We can see. Let me zoom it for us to see. So I think we just have to make this big to accommodate everything. Yeah. This is it right here. So we can see price rejected from here, broke it, went up again, respected the zone, broke it. You see, this is a major support area, supported it again. Then when price finally broke it, what I tell you, you wait for the retest, because this strategy is called support turn to resistance. So wait for the market to come and retest that zone for it to turn into a resistance. Then we enter our trade here. They go for a 1 to 3, boom, profit. Guys, you see how this strategy is very, very smooth and easy. So that's it for today. So if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to this channel. I just decided to just do a mobile version for you guys, so because some people do complain that, oh, they can't trade forex because they don't have a laptop. You can do everything on your phone, with your phone or any electronic device. You understand? It's all about, do you have desire and everything. So wish you guys success, and bye for now.